Welcome, my ultimate music teacher friends. Ready to learn tip number 8 on the top 10 tips and most important piece of advice for something you need to do before you start thinking about teaching music theory? Fantastic. Be sure to watch this video to the end because you don't want to miss anything. My name is Glory St. Germain. I'm the founder of Ultimate Music Theory, and we are a one-stop shop with a complete music theory workbook system and ultimate music theory certification elite educator program. It's exclusively for teachers, just like you, walking you through from where you are now to wherever that may be that you want to go, having a positive purpose and profitable teaching business. So visit us at MusicBusinessMastery.live and sign up for our free 3-day live event. I've been a music teacher for over 30 years, and during that time, I have collected a vast amount of information that I share here for free on our YouTube channel. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you never miss a video. In teaching tip number 9, you met Caroline Joy Quinn and heard how she implemented these teaching tips into her studio with massive success. And today's teaching tip number 8 is exclusively for teachers who are interested in teaching music theory more effectively and profitably. How to help your students translate the language of music theory into their musicianship skills so that others can benefit from your teaching. Now, your teaching is providing massive value and a skill set that students will have forever. So let's dive into teaching tip number 8 of 10. Tip number 8 is concepts and creativity. One of the essential skills that every music teacher needs is the knowledge of how to teach music theory concepts with a simple step-by-step system through joyful creativity. As I began writing my first of 50 books, I realized 2 things. First, when introducing music theory concepts, they must be presented simply, no matter what learning style, age, or ability. Concepts must be taught in a clear, concise, and complete manner. Second, not only do concepts need to be understood, but they also need to be presented with creativity for effective learning and maximum comprehension. I reflected on this quote by Albert Einstein: "Make everything simple as possible, but not simpler." One of our Ultimate Music Theory certified teachers, Joanne Barker from Canada, achieved first-class honors with distinction in the Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program. Now, Joanne has been teaching UMT club classes very successfully for many, many years. And in fact, when Joanne and I met many years ago, she was also a creative games designer. She combined her talents as a UMT certified teacher and professional games designer to join our Ultimate Music Theory Dream Team. And now Joanne is our UMT Creative Design Manager. You can teach music theory concepts through creativity with discovery learning. Inside the UMT Workbook program, there's games and our online Ultimate Music Theory Teachers membership. When you teach concepts with simplicity and a clear purpose and intent for your students, then learning becomes more enjoyable and more positive. And when you teach with creativity and add themes and composing and games and challenges for your students, then learning becomes a sense of accomplishment and achievement. Teaching concepts through creativity develops important musical skills, and it builds confidence in learning through gamification. Now, musical gamification is a set of activities and processes to solve problems by using or applying the characteristics of game elements. The Ultimate Music Theory program was created for you as a music teacher. So you don't have to go figuring everything out on your own. As educators, we need to create effective learning strategies for successful teaching, which is why I'm inviting you to our free teacher training. This is a 3-day Music Business Mastery live event, and it'll be a game changer for your music teaching business. You will learn the exact systems that you need to elevate your income, impact your teaching, and grow your expert music business. So get registered now at MusicBusinessMastery.live, and I'll see you there. Till next time, I'm Glory St. Germain. Teach with passion.